Hello there, Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team. If you want a magazine like this is a tabloid type magazine. The color is full color. It's got a full color front and back, the cover on the back side, the back page. But this is huge. It has 120 pages, ad after ad after ad, page after page. If you want a copy of this, you can. There's everything you can think of in here. There's also services. There's print and mail services. There's products. There's opportunity after opportunity. There's one right there is Phase 10. Same program I'm promoting. Whoever is 160471. There's I've seen a couple ads in here that are the same programs that I promote. You can get full page ads. You can get these small 3-inch or 4-inch ads. You can get 2-inch ads, 1-inch ads. You could put a .com, a website. I mean, this magazine, this ad paper. It's like it's an ad paper. It's all geared. It's all targeted to mail order, direct mail marketing. If you want me to send you a copy. I'm not sure if every issue is 120 pages, but probably something close to that. Send me $20 and I will send you I'm going to order a bunch of copies of this magazine, or this ad paper. And if you want a copy so that you can place your ads in here and save a lot of, there's the stamp funnel that I'm in, which is a good program. I'm in that program. I've actually, this is a passive stamp program, stamp club. I don't even have to do any mailing for this. And I've gotten free stamps, postcard stamps, or first class forever stamps. I've gotten them for free because I have a way that I don't even have to mail. And I've gotten free stamps from doing nothing, just from that program. But what was I saying? If you want a copy of this, and there's a lot of good-looking ads. I study Six Figure Stamp Club. I don't even know if this person knows it, but that company, that program is kind of a ghost right now. But anyway, there's people are offering big mails. If you don't know what a big mail is, contact me. I'll explain that. Big mails, you can save a lot of money, make a lot of money with big mails, and build your list huge. And get a lot of mail to reverse market and all that. So if you want a copy of this, it's probably going to be something close to 120 pages. You can buy ads in these magazines to save yourself a lot of stamps and a lot of. It's a good way to brand yourself. I am going to start promoting in these magazines and putting my photo. There's the money funnel. I'm in that program too. Full page ad, which is I think $80. $80. I'm going to start putting my photo and branding my photo, driving traffic from these magazines to my YouTube channel and to my internet websites and to my other ads, my other programs. And I'm going to be selling small reports, small offers that are just a few dollars, or even just a few stamps, just to build my list and get people to respond and send me something, and I'll have their address, and then I can mail them anything I want. So basically, if you want a copy of this magazine, this ad paper, this direct mail order marketing magazine, tons and tons of, you can use this as a lead source. There's tons of names and addresses in here. You can reverse mail to them. I will send you a copy for $20. 20. Send me $20 and say, Michael, send me an issue of that big, huge 120-page magazine. It's kind of like it's like those Auto Traders, but this one's actually 8.5 by 11. The other magazine that I was talking about is a little bit smaller. It's not as wide. This is actually 8.5 by 11. But send me $20. Put a note in there. Make sure, don't just send me $20 because I'm not psychic. I'm not I'm not, I don't have a crystal ball. I'm not a witch. I'm not a warlock. I'm not a wizard. I don't know what you're sending me money for, but just send me 20 bucks and say, Michael, I want a copy of that big, huge magazine. There's the Sasquatch Bigfoot postcard program, full page ad. I'm in that program. Print and mail services to get people to print and mail for you. Put a note in there telling me you want the big tabloid ad paper, mail order ad paper magazine. Send 20 bucks to me. Call me, text me. You can call me at 352-286-8014. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, you can call me. They took the flyer and they shrunk it down so they did a 2-up. They put 2 flyers on 1 page. I don't recommend that because the font, the print is so tiny. I mean, I can't even read that. Who's supposed to read all this teeny tiny little print? These people are saving money, but if you can't read the ad, what's the purpose? I don't understand people. If you're gonna do a full page ad like this. That's a full page flyer. I can read everything on the page. See all these tiny little print? These people are trying to save money, but they're ruining their ads. You can't even read all that. Or if they're people like me that have their eyes are not 100% perfect, if they don't have 20/20 vision, they're not going to be able to read all that. Here's an ad by my friend. That's my friend's. Well, this is his whole page. This is his ad sheet. He bought a full page ad in here. So send me a note saying, Michael, I want that big magazine, that mail order magazine, mail order marketing, direct mail marketing, whatever you want to call it. Send me 20 bucks, and I'm going to order a bunch of copies of this, and it's a good place to advertise. It's one of the bigger magazines that are out there, one of the more popular ones. I'm on page 98, 99. Like I said, this one has 100. See these ad sheets? You can buy these little. You can pay these people to put a 2-inch ad in here. These are called display ads. There's a 4-inch by a 4x5 ad, 4-inch by 5-inch ad, 2-inch ad. These are all 2-inch ads. Tons and tons of addresses, names, leads. You can reverse mail to these people. There's ad sheets in here. There's business opportunities, products, services, you name it, it's in here. But I'm going to order a bunch of these, and I'm going to sell them to you guys, you all, y'all, as they say in the South. If y'all want to buy one of these, contact me, 352-286-8014, and I will send, there's phase 10. I will send you a copy, whoever 161103 is. They got a full page ad in here. Now, obviously, if I'm going to promote phase 10 as a full page ad in here, I'm going to totally redo the ad, because I'm not going to put an ad looking just like this in the same magazine with the same words and everything the same, because somebody already has it in there. So I got to change it up, and I got to put my own spin on it. I got to put my own look to get attention. This is what I try and teach you in my videos. If you see somebody using this, and everybody's using this flyer, and it's pretty much burnt out, a lot of people in the mailbox, they already seen this. You know, there's like 2,000, 3,000 people. Change it up. Change the words, change the picture, change the name of the title, change the address to your address on the bottom. Do what you got to do to get attention. Change the prices and the stamps. Promote phase 5 and phase 6. This promotes phase 1, phase 3. Change it up so you can make more money and get more attention. Be unique. Brand yourself. Stand out from the crowd. Do not do what the herd does. This is a herd mentality person. This is a person that is in the herd. All they are is a number. There's no name on the page. That's their branding. That's all their branding on the page. Otherwise, they're branding the whole program and the admin and everything. You want to brand yourself. People are not numbers. Are you a number? I'm not a number. Put your name on there. Put your phone number on there. Put your email on there. If you got a website, put that on there. Change the pictures. Change the name. You want to get attention. Rewrite it. Spin it. You know, they have article spinners. Read it. Put it in your own words. Make something new, something catchy, something more attractive. And if you're mailing, you can do full color. You want to stand out from the crowd. Do not do what most people do, because most people, guess what? Most people are not making money. Do you want to be like most people, or you want to make money? There's only like 3% of the people that are even marketing. Here's another one. They shrunk it down, but you can't even read it. Why? Because they're too chintzy and cheap, that's why. Why did they shrink it down? The writing gets too small. 3% of the people out there marketing any kind of home business, online, offline, it doesn't matter. They are not making, 3% of the people are making money. The rest of the people are not. You want to be a buyer, a customer, a consumer, or you want to be a marketer? You want to be earning money or spending money? Most people are spending money. And then they spend more money. They hop to another program. They say, oh, it's a scam. It's not a scam. Oh, it sucks. No, it doesn't suck. You're not doing the right things. I can take a program that somebody says is too old. It sucks. It's baloney. It doesn't work. I can prove them wrong. Just because I'm creative. Successful marketers are creative people. Successful marketers they have passion. There's the money funnel. They have passion. They love teaching. They love learning. They're creative. They get tons and tons of ideas flooding their mind every day about marketing, about ads. I study these ads. I look at the ad copy, the headlines. I look at what they do in their ads. I get ideas. I study these ads. I can look at these magazines and these ads every day, all day, because I learn. I study print advertising. I study internet marketing advertising. I study banner ads, websites. I study emails. I study everything with marketing. Why? Because I love it. It's exciting to me. It's interesting to me. There's Bigfoot Sasquatch. There's tons of ads. If you want a magazine like this, which I recommend, you get one. And then you can subscribe to the magazine. And then you can place ads in there. Brand yourself. Put your photo in there. Don't be shy. Don't hide behind an ad. Don't hide behind a website. Don't hide behind an email. Don't be afraid to put your phone number there. People love to have a phone number to call somebody. You know how many phone calls? I get phone calls every single day. Every day. And they're chasing me down. They want to buy. They want to join my programs. So, if you want one of these magazines, contact me. I will mail you one. Send me $20 and put a note in there saying, I want that magazine, that mail order magazine, ad magazine. Send me a copy, please, and put a note in there and mail it to me. Contact me at 352-286-8014. 352-286-8014. You can reach me at 18perhour@gmail.com. 18perhour@gmail.com. If you're going to leave me a voicemail message, if I don't answer the phone right away, because sometimes I can't even get to my phone fast enough and it goes straight to voicemail. But sometimes I can't understand people, or their wind's blowing, or they're driving, or my phone doesn't even save the message. Text me. Send me a text message and a voicemail message. That way I can definitely get back to you. Call me, text me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I'm Michael Jensen. Jesus loves you. Jesus is coming soon. Get to know me. I will help you. I got tons of ideas. Some of them I actually implement and I do myself, but get on the phone with me. Let's brainstorm. Let's come up with ideas to save you money or spend no money and get more sales. Yes, it's possible to spend no money and work like an hour a day on your business and get people to chase you. Just like the ice cream man. They're chasing me down, trying to give me money. You can do this. It's not hard. If you love learning and you love teaching, this is for you. If you hate people, if you're not a people person, I don't recommend you have any business at all. Just keep your day job, keep your factory job, keep your cleaning job, keep your restaurant job, whatever you have. If you're not a people person, if you don't love people, if you don't like working with other people, you probably are not an entrepreneur. It takes a certain kind of a spirit, a certain kind of a person to be an entrepreneur. We love you. Take care. Call me, text me, email me. Thanks. Bye-bye. My flash went out. Call me. 352-286-8014. Michael Jensen, Daily Cash Team. Take care. See you. Bye.